Tired of rising prices ruining your vacation plans? What if you could beat inflation and still enjoy luxury getaways for less than the price of a budget hotel? Welcome to Boardwalk Resort Vacations, the smarter way to travel in 2025. Our members are raving, and for good reason. With Boardwalk Resort Vacations, you'll enjoy access to resort-style condo stays for less than what you'd pay at a cramped hotel. We booked a 2-bedroom resort condo, full kitchen and all, and still spent less than we would have at a regular hotel. We're not skipping vacations anymore. Boardwalk gives us the space, the comfort, and the price we need. And here's the best part. Many Boardwalk Resort properties are within driving distance of major cities across the U.S. That means no long flights, no crazy ticket prices, and no more staycations you don't actually enjoy. Whether it's a lake retreat near Charlotte, a mountain escape from Ohio, or a beachside stay close to LA, Boardwalk Resort Vacations brings luxury within reach, right when you need it most. Our members are saving big, all while upgrading their experience. More space, more amenities, more memories, less money. Kids enjoying game rooms, parents cooking in full kitchens, families dining together at sunset on patios. Why settle for a cramped hotel room when you can have a full vacation condo for less? Boardwalk made real vacations possible for us again. We're beating inflation and actually enjoying our time together. Don't wait for the perfect time to travel. Make it happen now with Boardwalk Resort Vacations. Boardwalk Resort Vacations, your vacation elevated.